In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Hubstaff and give you a brief overview of what it is and how it works. Hubstaff is an intuitive time-tracking software that helps you monitor productivity, manage remote teams, and ensure all your projects are on track. Whether you're a freelancer or managing a worldwide team, Hubstaff can be the solution you need to optimize productivity. Let's walk through the steps to get started. Firstly, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hubstaff website. Once you're on their main page, you'll notice the Sign In button. Click on this button, and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your login details. Ensure that your login credentials are correct to avoid any issues signing in. If you do not have an account yet, you might want to take a moment to sign up. Enter your username and password, and once done, click on the Sign In button. After signing in, you'll be taken into your Hubstaff space. This is your dashboard, the control center for all your time tracking and management activities. Now, to download the Hubstaff application, hover over to your profile icon, typically found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it, and you'll see the option to download the app. Select Download the app, and you'll be directed to a download page. The download page provides options to download the Hubstaff app for desktop, mobile, or as a browser extension. Since we'll be focusing on the desktop version, go ahead and select that option. Here, you have various operating systems to choose from, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Chromebook. Make sure to choose the one that matches your current setup. Once you've made your selection, click on Download. You'll want to patiently wait for the download to finish. It shouldn't take too long, but this will depend on your internet speed. Once complete, locate the downloaded file and run it to begin installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Hubstaff on your computer. Usually, this involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and clicking Next a few times. Once the installation is complete, you might be prompted to restart your computer. After installing, open the Hubstaff app, and you will be required to log in once more. Enter the same login details you used earlier. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start using Hubstaff. You can now explore its features, start tracking time on your tasks, and gain insights into your productivity. And there you have it. Downloading and setting up Hubstaff is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you're ready to leverage the powerful tools Hubstaff provides to enhance productivity and management, whether you're working from home or coordinating with a remote team. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.